Hi Justin, Jack Stannard here to give you your first update on my personal portfolio website for Media Arts Practices 301. So to do a quick recap on what I talked about in my proposal for my portfolio website, I have decided that I want to do my personal portfolio website now for two main reasons. Number one, having the knowledge and the skill set to be able to customly make a website and be able to fully publish everything is really valuable, especially with just how everything is going nowadays, especially with the internet. Just literally, it feels like the internet is just going to be in your shoes once very soon here. I don't know why you would need internet in your shoes. Somebody will figure out why you'll need it for some reason, I'm sure. Number two, I've been procrastinating on making my website a little bit because whenever I did get around to making my website, which I'm finally doing now, I wanted to do a really good job on it. I wanted to make it fully custom. I wanted to do it all myself. I didn't want to have to hire any third-party companies to come in and help me out with it. I wanted to have the knowledge and the skills to be able to fully do everything myself and fully publish my own portfolio website and be able to say, like, I fully made that. That was all me. It has become very valuable to be somebody who is able to fully customly make a website and get it fully published. And I don't know any of it. Zilch, nada, nothing about being able to publish your own website. So I found this as a perfect opportunity to be able to teach myself so that I can become that worker that employers will be looking for when I do eventually get out into the work world, which should be in less than a year here. So it's definitely time. So right off the bat here, I'm sorry about the mid-video wardrobe change. I took a shower in between filming all these videos, so my apologies. Yeah, so the first thing I had to teach myself was just like the basics, just I know what, like I've heard what HTML is, like I've heard the word, but I don't really know like how it's used or what it really does, like didn't know what CSS was. There were just a lot of things that I needed to teach myself. So the way I kind of got started getting familiar with everything I need to get familiar with for this project, first just started doing a lot of research, just quite literally just Googled how to create your own website. I kind of just decided that the very first thing I need to learn is just quite literally learn how to purchase a URL, be able to get an FTP, get server space, all of that kind of fun stuff. So that is what I've done so far. I have learned how to purchase a URL, and I have basically just learned how to make it so that when you type that URL into the URL search bar, that something actually does come up. It's just not just an error code. So without further ado, here is my website so far. Hello and welcome to my desktop. And since it took me a really long time to be able to do this and I'm super proud of it, I'm going to give myself a drum roll. Ta-da! Huh? Huh? Okay, I know. It's not too amazing. Very, very plain so far, I know. But, so this is what I've done so far. As I said before, I went and I purchased my domain name through GoDaddy.com. The reason why I did GoDaddy.com was because it was my particular name, jackstannard.com, was on sale at the time, and I also used the Chrome extension Honey that basically just scans all of the internet for internet sale codes. And I got my URL for incredibly cheap for 3 years. I think I only maybe spent like $5 or something like that. It was a screaming deal and I couldn't pass it up. But yeah, so I got my URL through GoDaddy.com, which is jackstannard.com. And then I needed to find somebody to host my URL for me. So I kind of just read a couple of reviews and I decided to sign up with bluehost.com. Here is my cPanel and everything I need to control my URL just to start out, just so I can actually figure out how to make it so something actually shows up when you typed in jackstannard.com. I installed WordPress. I got WordPress.org, and it's all on my computer now. And yeah, so I've made it so I can, and obviously I wasn't going to go with WordPress.com, but yeah, then I also got FileZilla to do my FTP. I got the client, but it does everything I need. And let me just hook onto the server here so I can log on to my website here. Oh, come on. Well, anyways, this is where I log in. Oh, there it goes. But yeah, so there's my dashboard for my website so far. Only got a couple pages on it, and yes, I know I said I wanted to make a fully custom website. Again, I am going to be making a fully custom website. I'm starting to learn how to use Muse to be able to fully build my own custom website. And so that's my next step here, is just learning how to use all of that fun stuff to build my own website using my HTML, which I've learned is like the framework of a website, and then CSS is what you use to actually put some animations and other kind of stuff. Still researching. That's the vagueness I know of it so far, but so far I've been able to get my URL. I have a couple of little updates here, just informing anybody who actually does go onto my website, which is basically just my family so far. What's going on? I got a little section about me here, and then a little picture there of me, and then a little page of just saying what about the project and what I'm intending on doing. But yeah, so like I just said, my next steps here are to get familiar with Adobe Muse and be able to create my own custom website, not have to use WordPress using a theme that I got through the creative market here that was created by somebody else, and I just slapped my logo on it. I haven't even changed any of the colors or anything yet. Quite literally just wanted to be able to type in jackstannard.com and have something come up there, and I've accomplished that so far. But yep, next step is to actually start building my own personal website, and that is what I will be showing to you in my very next update. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a good day.